remember in our last video we were discussing some rules for using the definite article the, and today is the continuation of the same topic, how to use definite article the but with the proper noun. Okay, so let's do it. First point is before the names of the things unique of their kind. What does it mean? That some things, some objects that are that have individual qualities. There's no other object like that. So those unique quality things, with them we use the. For example, the sun. There is only one sun. The earth. There is only one earth. Okay, and earth and sun and sky, all of them, they are unique in their qualities. So before them we are going to use the. Okay, second rule is before the names of certain holy books. Now holy books have different names, and these are proper names, proper nouns, but we are going to use the before them, like the Quran, the Vedas, the Bible, the Gita. So all of these holy books, we are going to use the with them. Okay, now the third point is before proper noun qualified with an adjective. Now all nouns, all adjectives describe nouns. So those nouns which are qualified with the adjective, those proper nouns, we are going to use the with them. Like the great. Now great is an adjective, and remember the is also demonstrative adjective. So the great Alexander. We also say Alexander the Great, but with Alexander, Alexander is the proper noun and great is the adjective. So whenever we are going to use an adjective with proper noun, we are going to use the with it. Okay, now fourth point is countries that have plural. Now countries have different names, and some countries' names have plural in them. As the Philippines, Now Philippines have this S, which shows that this name has plural in it. So we are going to use the with it. Okay. Now the fifth rule is about countries which include the word United or Republic in their names. Now in the world there are different countries, they have different names. Some countries include the word Republic or United in their names. For example, if I say Pakistan, I'm not going to use the before it, or if I only say Pakistan. But if I say the complete name, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, then I'm going to use the with it. Why? Because Republic is there. And if I say United States of America, then I'm going to say the United States of America because there is the word United in it. Let's see another example. The Czech Republic. I'm using the before it because Republic is there, or the United Kingdom. Okay, the United Kingdom. Now next rule is before some proper nouns that are a kind of place name. Now we all know that proper noun are the noun that have some special name, noun that have some special names. So the kind of place name, what kind of place name? Let's see, ocean, all oceans have different name. For example, Pacific. But we are not going to write only Pacific, we are going to add the before it. The Pacific, the Indian, okay? And river, the Indus. Sea name, if I only say Red Sea, it will be incorrect. We have to add the before it. The Red Sea. Desert name, the Gobi Desert. Now all of these are places and these are proper nouns. And before these proper nouns we are going to use the. Now mountain ranges, Himalayas. And we are going to use the before, the Himalayas. Okay, so like this we come to know that there are certain proper nouns before which we are going to use the definite article the, otherwise it will be wrong. So I hope you have learned a lot. Thanks for watching it. See you next time. Bye.